10 best keyless door locks in reviews. We are including products with recommend voting. It's help to buy perfect product. Thanks for checking out my channel. Make sure to subscribe. 1. Kwikset 99130.002 SmartCode. The Kwikset 99130.002 SmartCode keyless door lock provides an exterior door locking system which offers a designer style in addition to high-level security, being compatible with any other Kwikset system. Features include Smart Key Rekey technology, which allows the owner to rekey the lock quickly and easily through using the included steps. This keyless door lock is an all-round winner, having won Consumer Digest magazine's Best Buy in 2014 for the category of a residential deadbolt lock. Furthermore, this keyless door lock provides dimensions of 3.5 by 5.4 by 9.9 inches. The Kwikset 99130.002 SmartCode keyless door lock is available in either polished brass or a Venetian bronze color design and requires 4 AA batteries for usage. 2. Samsung SHSP718 LMK touchscreen door lock. The Samsung SHSP718 LMK touchscreen door lock provides a two-piece, sleek set of locks for the best in-home security. This keyless door lock allows the user to access double authentication, asking the owner to enter a combination of either your fingerprint, PIN, or FIT to open the lock. This keyless door lock offers the user an alarm for additional protection and anti-theft capabilities, disabling the lock for 3 minutes after 5 failed attempts have been entered. Besides, a proximity sensor ensures that as you walk towards the lock then wakes up and is ready to use. The Samsung SHSP718 LMK touchscreen door lock provides dimensions of 3.4 by 14 by 2.5 inches for the interior lock, as well as dimensions of 3.3 by 15.2 by 2.3 inches for the exterior lock. 3. Kwikset 99171.1 Powerbolt 2-door lock. The Kwikset 99171.1 Powerbolt 2-door lock provides you with the ability to lock or unlock your door from any location from the ease and convenience of your mobile phone via the supported smart home system. There are up to 30 different programmable user access codes for you to enjoy, and you could even program the lock to turn on your air conditioning or your heating throughout your home. Additional features of this keyless door lock include Smart Key Rekey technology, as well as the ability to send notifications to your mobile phone when the door is either locked or unlocked. The Kwikset 99171.1 Powerbolt 2-door lock comes complete with a lifetime warranty and offers dimensions of 9.7 by 4.2 by 4 inches. 4. August Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect. The August Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect is a keyless door lock which features the latest smart technology, allowing you to control as well as monitor your door from any location. Features include the Wi-Fi bridge, which enables you to use your mobile phone in order to check your door as well as control who has keyless access. This keyless door lock is compatible with Siri, Alexa, and Google Assistant, and provides an effective 24/7 activity log. The August Smart Lock Pro Plus Connect is easy to install into your home and requires 4 AA batteries to work. 5. Nest X Yale Lock with Nest Connect. The Nest X Yale Lock with Nest Connect features a keyless deadbolt and is tamper-proof. This keyless door lock works alongside the Nest app and can automatically lock and secure your home when you are away from home. Utilizing the app ensures that you can access the history of the keyless lock to witness usage. The Nest X Yale Lock with Nest Connect is provided in a sleek black design and offers dimensions of 6.1 by 11.8 by 5.4 inches. 6. August ASL3B Smart Lock. The August ASL3B Smart Lock is provided in an inconspicuous and stylish design, utilizing smart features to allow keyless access to your home. Installation is quick and easy, providing a 10-minute installation with only a screwdriver. Features allow you to acquire the August app and set auto locks, in addition to being compatible with an August Wi-Fi Connect bridge. The August ASL3B Smart Lock can work in conjunction with Alexa, and additional accessories such as a keypad being available separately. The dimensions of the product are 1.6 by 2.6 by 4.8 inches, and this keyless door lock requires 4 AA batteries to work. 7. Schlage BE479 Smart Deadbolt. The Schlage BE479 Smart Deadbolt offers a hands-free product what is compatible with the Schlage Sense Wi-Fi adapter in addition to Alexa. This keyless door lock works alongside an app which allows you the power to manage and monitor who has access to your home and can be linked with Apple HomeKit devices. The Schlage BE479 Smart Deadbolt offers secure encryption for your home, with a 5-pin tumbler. This keyless door lock provides dimensions of 4.5 by 3 by 8 inches. 8. August Smart Lock Pro. The August Smart Lock Pro offers compatibility with Alexa, Google Assistant, and Siri to gain access to your home via voice control. Additional accessories such as an August Connect Wi-Fi bridge may also be required. You can grant access remotely while using in conjunction with the required app, while activity can be monitored, and the history tracked via a 24/7 feed. Installation of this keyless door lock is easy and fast, taking only 10 minutes with the use of a screwdriver. The August Smart Lock Pro locks as you leave the house and opens as you approach, providing you with complete autonomy. The dimensions of the product are 3.4 by 2.2 by 3.4 inches. 9. Yale Security 110 ZW619 Push-Button Deadbolt. The Yale Security 110 ZW619 Push-Button Deadbolt offers a keyless lock in 3 different styles for your home: oil-rubbed bronze, polished brass, and satin nickel. This keyless door lock works in conjunction with Alexa, in addition to other security systems such as Honeywell and SmartThings. Your home is accessed via pushing in your code and allows you to provide codes to your family or friends while ensuring that you have complete control at all times. History may be viewed at any time through the app, and notifications may be received to allow you to monitor your home at all times. The Yale Security 110 ZW619 Push-Button Deadbolt provides dimensions of 0.9 by 2.8 by 5.1 inches. 10. Schlage BE489WB Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt. The Schlage BE489WB Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt offers a classic yet stylish design with built-in Wi-Fi, allowing you to lock and unlock your home wherever you are. Up to 100 codes may be set to enable you to provide separate access for your friends and family, either on a temporary or a permanent basis. Features include optional voice control and offer fingerprint resistance to ensure durability and longevity. The built-in alarm technology senses any security issues and alerts you to any potential issues. The Schlage BE489WB Encode Smart Wi-Fi Deadbolt provides easy installation in addition to a limited lifetime guarantee with a 3-year guarantee for electronics. Thanks for watching. You can find links, price and description to these products in the description box. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.